close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Yes, goody, another requested recipe here for the holidays. Yes, this is a juice recipe. It is so delicious, guys. You have to see this one. Now, if you're watching me making this juice for the very first time, if you're here for the very first time, be sure to hit your subscribe, guys. Press your notification settings so you will be aware of when I upload a new video. So, come on and let's get started.
You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. You don't remember where you're coming from. Rastafari, why you turn your back on your brother when him need you? You don't remember the days when him feed you. You know when no obligation but you want some respect. All you need to do is just give him what he forget. Turn your back on your brother when him need you.
There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. It was fast, it was easy, and it was, yes, simple. As always, thumbs up, like, and share, and let me know what you'd like to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy! I'm gonna let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for we eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage, you know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.